Welcome to Page Family Homestead. I'm Andy and Peggy's the one with the camera today. Today we're doing Frugal Friday, which is hashtag Frugal Friday from Tomorrow at Dave Farms with Tracy. So here's what we're doing. I caught this right now. Fresh fish right out of the grocery store. Fresh. It's Great Lakes, Canada pickerel. And we're making a beer batter. What I've got in here is I got 1 cup of flour, all-purpose, 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Yeah, cayenne. And is it 1 tablespoon of sugar as well. Forgot about the sugar. So we're going to do this, and we got 16 ounces of filtered beer. Not filtered beer, sorry. It's just a joke. Of Canadian beer. Canadian beer, which is 5% alcohol.
You had to look?
Yeah, I couldn't remember. Anyway, so that's what we're going to make here today. And I'm going to need 2 teaspoons of honey. Okay, I've got the honey. This is honey Matt and Kim that were here at the barbecue picked up for us out in Tweed. So this is Tweed honey. Look at that, isn't that beautiful?
It'll be in direct competition of ours one day.
Oh yeah. So I just put this in. 1 tablespoon.
Oh.
That's a heaper.
Yeah, it is.
That's okay though.
Yeah.
There's nothing better than honey. I didn't say it was neat by any means.
Here comes the hand again.
Oh, there's that hand. There we go. And I'll slowly, there, that's good. And you know how you don't want to waste honey. That was good. Now we slowly add this in, so we don't get no lumps. That's going to be hard. Oh, look at that.
Some would say, what a waste of a beer.
I know, I would. I am. I'm thinking right now.
It's the best batter.
If God wanted fish to have beer on it, He would have made them the river near the beer store. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. And that's 16 ounces of beer.
1 full can.
1 full can, yep.
Canadian.
King can.
King can?
Yep, king can. Well, they call it a king can. Look at that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit for 30 minutes in the fridge to thicken up a bit. And I'll bring you back. Okay, I brought you back because I found it a little bit too runny, so what we ended up doing was putting another ½ cup of flour and another ½ cup of yellow powder. What's that stuff called? Cornmeal, sorry, cornmeal. Couldn't think of the name of it. But yeah, see, it's gotten thicker here. And that's better, that's a lot better. Plus I didn't put in the pepper. 1 teaspoon of pepper into it as well. And here I got all my fish. This is pickerel. Laid out, and what I'm going to do is cut it into smaller pieces so it can cook evenly at the same temperature. Now I'll stick this in the fridge and bring it back when we're ready to cook it. Okay, now we're just going to cut these up into about the same size of fish, snack bites for dinner. And that way they'll all, because of the oil, they'll cook evenly. Okay.
And what kind of fish is this?
It's pickerel.
We used to have
Canadian
so much
pickerel.
fun catching them out in Consecon Lake, eh?
Yep. All kinds of them. We caught lots of them.
Oh. We'd bring 6 home every day.
With a banjo minnow.
No, it wasn't.
I know,
They
but
all
we told
thought it
everybody.
was.
We told everybody we caught our pickerel and banjo minnow. They all went out and bought it, but we didn't even use it. It didn't work.
You never give your secrets away.
Ever. Ever.
And then you're bringing this outside?
Yeah, then we're going to bring it aside. See how that's... See, that's a lot better, eh?
Oh, here, let me zoom in there. Perfect.
That's a perfect thing there.
Perfect.
Okay, so I'll put this in a different bowl. And I'll take this outside with us.
It just stinks the house up with oil.
Oh, the oil. I hate
Yeah.
the oil. Smell in the house.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll
Let
meet
us
you
go
outside.
Yep. Oh, look at that. That looks nice.
Smells really good. Turned out not bad, eh, that batter?
Not too bad, no. It's sticking really well to it.
It's got to be
And we're
the
gonna,
Canadian beer.
yeah, we're gonna put tater tots with this too. Okay, bring it right back. Okay, here we go. Look at that. That's nice and golden brown. That really stuck to it well. There's another one. Thank you. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice and crispy. Crispy critter. And I'd recommend only putting about 5 in at a time. Otherwise the oil gets too cold. Chitty chitty bang bang. There we go. Okay. Get some more in there. Okay. Drip a little bit on the side, but oh well, what can I do about that? Okay, so that's 3. Like I said, only 5 at a time. Put 10 in, just to screw it all up. Okay, bring it right back. Okay, we're done. Now we got the tater tots done. Look at them. They're golden brown, just beautiful. Oops. Take them in, please. And I'll grab the other stuff to bring it in.
And we'll build up a plate.
Yeah, we'll fill up a
Okay.
plate. Okay, we're back. Here we go. Beer battered fish. And tater tots. But here's this. Let's take a bite of that. And potato salad. What's that? Macaroni salad. Okay. That is good.
Hear the crunch.
Very crunchy.
That is an awesome beer batter, guys. No
It
more
is.
fish truck. Make it yourself at home.
Very good. Very good. Really good.
Thank you, Tracy.
Don't forget. Yeah, thank you, Tracy, for Frugal Friday. Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. Tell us what you think of this. And please share with your friends on social media.
Beer battered fish. Hashtag Frugal Friday.
Frugal Friday.
At Tomorrow at Day Farms.